So right off the bat with this project, I realized that I was gonna have to go into the attic and make sure that this wall was non-load bearing because I wanted to take out this whole middle wall right here and pretty much make this one big bathroom slash mud area. There was a little bit of electrical outlets there that I had some electricians come and make sure to just cap those off and to make sure that there's no live wires or live electricity running to those. I took out the plumbing myself. Stand and shower had to go as well, but that was just held in by a few screws on a stud. Fiberglass stand and shower. Have to take those bolts out. So I just took a Sawzall and just cut them right in the middle, and then I just pulled them out from the front and then from the bottom, instead of smashing it with a sledgehammer like some people may do. Water heater is fairly simple to unscrew. A little bit of rusted shut, but nothing too crazy. This was an electrical gas heater and this was an electrical water heater and not a gas water heater. So as soon as I unscrewed the water, I did have to go in here and just unsplice the electrical cables that was attached to my 240. I ended up just capping that off and just hiding it behind the wall. old medicine cabinet had to go to because we had to replace some old copper pipes behind there, and that was definitely in the way.